In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple emails in Outlook. To begin with, you'll need to log into your Microsoft Outlook account. Go ahead and open your browser and navigate to the Outlook login page. Once you're there, click on the Sign in Mine button. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Be sure to input your email address and password correctly, and then proceed by clicking on the Next button. You should now find yourself looking at your Outlook homepage. The next step is to access your inbox. To do this, simply click on the Inbox label, which is typically located on the left-hand side of the screen. This will bring up all your incoming messages. Now, to delete multiple emails, you need to start by choosing the ones you wish to remove. Begin by clicking on one of the emails you want to delete. This helps set a reference point for the selection process. Once you've done that, look towards the top section of your inbox. You'll notice a small box situated beside the word Focused. This checkbox is your handy tool to select multiple emails at once. Go ahead and click on this small box. Doing so will select all the emails on the current page of your inbox. If your goal is to clean out your entire inbox, this feature is incredibly useful. It saves you the tedious task of selecting each email one by one. Now, it's important to double check that you've selected all the emails you want to delete. Take a quick look to ensure there aren't any important ones in the mix that need to be kept. If you're finding any emails you don't wish to delete, you can simply deselect them by clicking on the checkbox next to the individual email. With your selected emails ready, look for the Delete button. This button is often represented by a trash bin icon located either at the top of your inbox or along the toolbar. Clicking this button will move your selected emails to the Deleted Items folder. Keep in mind, emails in the Deleted Items folder aren't gone forever yet. If you're looking for a truly clean slate, consider emptying the Deleted Items folder as well. Navigate to this folder, and at the top you'll find an option to Empty Folder. Clicking on this will permanently remove all emails from this section. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll efficiently clear out multiple emails in Outlook, effectively managing your inbox space. Hopefully these tips make your experience with Outlook a little bit smoother. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep your inbox organized for a more productive day.